Hi everyone. Hi. I'm just pretending to be a bird. Yeah. Do you want to be a bird? No, you don't want to be a bird? But do you want to pretend to be a bird? Yeah. The reason why I like birds is because they can fly. And I want to fly like a bird. Welcome back everyone. This is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Tree House. Yes, this is video part 2. Yeah, great job everyone. We learned some new vocabularies. Now we are going to learn about 5 sentence patterns. And we can put those 5 vocabulary words in our sentence pattern. Yeah, but before we do that, let's review what we learned from the other video. Okay, here we go. Messy. Messy, messy, messy. Great job, messy. Okay, next word is chick. Chick, chick, chick. Yes, a chick makes a little sound like that. Chip, 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 chip. Yeah, they make a whistling sound. Okay, the next word is haircut. Haircut, haircut, haircut. Yeah. Haircut, yes. You can get a haircut. Haircut. The next word is wool. Do you remember the word wool? Yeah, that is sheep hair. It's very thick. It's white. Yeah, and sheeps grow wool. Wool, wool, wool. Very good. Okay, our next word will be, what is it? Brushing. Yeah, brushing, brushing, brushing. Yeah, you can brush your hair with a brush. Yes, and girls can brush their hair with a brush too, because they have long hair. Brushing. Great job, everyone. Yeah. We memorized all the words we learned from the other video. Yes. So now we are ready to use our new words in the sentence pattern. Are you ready? All right. Here we go. Okay, the first sentence pattern is brushing. Here we go. What are you brushing your hair with? I am brushing my hair with a brush. You can brush your hair with a brush. All right. Okay, our next sentence pattern will be about chick. Chick. Yeah, chick. Here we go. What do you call a baby chicken? A baby chicken is called a chick. That's right, yeah. A baby chicken is called a chick. Okay, we almost finished with our sentence patterns. Okay, here we go. Wool. Do you remember wool? Yeah, sheep's hair. Which animal has wool? A sheep has wool. Yeah, good job everyone. Here's the next sentence pattern is messy. Yeah, messy, dirty, not clean. Here we go. Is your room clean? No, my room is messy. You do not want your room to be messy. Yes, it needs to be clean all the time. So don't keep your room messy. Okay, the next word that we're going to use in our sentence pattern is haircut. Okay, here we go. Where do you go to get a haircut? I go to a barber to get a haircut. Good job, everyone. Yeah, good job. You guys learned some new vocabularies and sentence patterns. Yeah, you guys are getting super smart. Can you say super smart? Yeah, good job, everyone. Wow. Wow, this was great. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. Thank you so much for learning new vocabularies and sentence patterns. All right. Good job, everyone. I'll see you next time in the next video. Give me 5. All right. One more high five. Bye-bye.